This conference will now be recorded.
Right, because that is what you associate the image with. Now there's a brilliant story behind this image. When I was creating the presentation for the session, right? And when I was looking for images to include in my session, I came across this image. The moment I looked at this image, I remembered something that I'd seen, which is very close to this. It's not exactly this, but which is very close to this. And I've been to that place, and suddenly I remembered कि वहाँ पे, you know, what were my feelings there? What was it that I was feeling at that point in time when I had visited this place, right? So when I saw this image, immediately I went back to that experience. This image took me back to that experience, and I relived that entire experience again. Right.
Yes.
So and then I decided, no, I have to put this image here because this image has a story behind it. Okay. So I got this here, which is why. So everywhere you look around, there is something which is giving out a story to you. So as a trainer and coach, I have a lot of experience telling stories for different purpose. Right.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
and where do you find stories from? Okay.
From our own
I was, yes.
from our daily life as well,
Daily,
ma'am.
every day, every time, there is a story behind. Without that,
Yes,
life
there's
is
a
full
story
of
behind
stories
everything,
and
Yes.
right?
everything.
So when I was growing up, and I still am, not just when I was growing up, I still am an avid reader. Any day, I would take up a book if it is a good book. I would take it up, and I will not keep it back till the time I've finished it. And it's always been a problem. So when I was growing up in school, तो तब भी मुझे आदत थी बहुत सारी books पढ़ने की. And what used to happen was my mom used to tell me कि तुम पढ़ाई कर लो. और मेरे साथ क्या होता था, मैं लाइब्रेरी से बुक इश्यू करवा के लाती थी, और जब तक वो बुक पूरा पढ़ नहीं लेती थी, मैं उस बुक को नीचे नहीं रखती. तो मॉम मुझे इतना डांटती थी. एक दिन what she did was, we had this old house back in Jalandhar where I grew up. हमारे घर में ना एक वो जैसे पुराने घरों में होता है ना, पीछे एक कमरा बना हुआ होता है. सो जहाँ पे मतलब you keep all those things, जहाँ पे सूरज की रोशनी भी नहीं जा रही होती है, and you have to always put in a light there, right? So we had a room, that kind of a store room we have, end of the house, मतलब बिल्कुल आखिर में जाके एकदम, और वहाँ कोई नेचुरल लाइट का प्रोविजन नहीं था. तो एक दिन मेरी मॉम ने गुस्सा होकर मुझे वहाँ बंद कर दिया because I was reading a book, right? So she said, तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रही मेरी बात, और मेरी एग्जाम्स थे सिर पे. And she was very angry. So उन्होंने मुझे वहाँ बंद कर दिया. And 3 years later, when she opened the door, I was still reading a book. And not my, not my syllabus book. मतलब उन्होंने बुक मेरे हाथ से छीन के तो साइड पे रख दी, राइट? और उसके बाद मुझे रूम में बंद कर दिया. जब उन्होंने मुझे रूम में बंद किया, she didn't realize that there were a few books already lying in that room. And I was still reading up when she opened the door. मुझे कहती है, तुमने दरवाजा नॉक करके एक बार भी बोला नहीं कि मम्मा मुझे बाहर निकालो. जब उन्होंने दरवाजा खोला, she was feeling bad कि मैंने इसको इतने देर तक अंदर बंद किया है. And she said, तुमने एक बार भी दरवाजा खटखटाया नहीं कि मम्मा मुझे बाहर निकालो. और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे हाथ में वो बुक देखा. Oh God, she was so angry. She literally lost it. कि तुमको मैंने इसी बात के लिए बंद किया था अंदर, और तुम अंदर भी किताब पढ़ रहे. So I am that kind of a reader. और मतलब मेरे जो फेवरेट ऑथर था, मतलब दैट वाज ग्रोइंग अप. अब तो खैर और भी बहुत सारे लोगों को पढ़ती हूँ मैं. सो दैट टाइम इट वाज सर आर्थर कॉनन डॉयल. मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर था शर्लॉक होम्स. एनीबॉडी हु लाइक शर्लॉक होम्स, या किसी को पता हो शर्लॉक होम्स के बारे में?
सुना है मैडम, बट अभी पढ़ा नहीं.
Yes,
बट
yes.
Yes, Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes. Yes, sir. In
Okay,
school we
so
read, ma'am.
Yes, in school, you must have read about Sir Arthur Conan Doyle and not all the stories. So
Not
he's,
a
he's
part of
written,
it.
he created that character, right? So he created that character. This writer, Sir Doyle, he created the character of Sherlock Holmes. Okay, and this character was so famous. This character got so famous that
Yes.
people actually believed that this was a real person, and they used to visit that street in London where the stories show that this character was living. People started visiting that street in London just to
Yeah.
get a glimpse of the character कि ये यहाँ रहना है. It was such a powerful characterization that Sir Doyle had done that लोगों को लगता था कि ये एक असली आदमी के बारे में लिख रहे हैं. Right, so you can imagine what kind of a storyteller he was. और जब उन्होंने so there was one story, so there was one time when he decided कि नहीं अब मुझे Sherlock Holmes के character को खत्म कर देना चाहिए. Right, so there's one story where Sherlock Holmes dies.
Yes.
There was such a loud public cry. People had started writing hate mails. सर डॉयल को लोगों ने हेट मेल्स मतलब चिट्ठियां लिखते थे उस टाइम पे तो ना लोग, तो उसको
Yes.
चिट्ठियां आती थी जिसमें लोग उनको हेट मैसेजेस भेजते थे कि आपने शर्लॉक होम्स के कैरेक्टर को मार दिया है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रेशर फ्रॉम द पब्लिक, he then again got Sherlock Holmes back and then created more stories around the same character. So that was the connection the character had with people, right? So that is what a good and strong story is all about. Okay, and we will quickly go through and we'll see कि हमको जब story build करना है, so what are the things that we have to keep in mind before we start creating a story. ठीक है? Let's quickly move on and see why do we tell stories, right? So the objectives of this session are, by the end of the session, you'll be able to identify the elements of effective stories and how to use them in your workplace. You'll also be able to tailor your messaging to a defined target audience, and you will be able to structure written messages for maximum audience impact, taking into consideration tone, style, and point of view. राइट, स्टोरी टेलिंग में किन किन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है और आप उसको इफेक्टिवली कैसे अपने वर्क प्लेस में यूज कर सकते हो और क्यों करना चाहिए हमें उसे वर्क प्लेस में यूज. सो यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट, राइट. लेट्स क्विकली सी व्हाई वी टेल स्टोरीज. सो व्हाई डू वी टेल स्टोरीज?
To remember,
Connecting the audience.
connect. Oh my God.
Yes,
connect,
to
to give
connect
a
with the audience. What else?
to
No,
make
to
something
like examples makes a quick means you can remember with anecdote. We can remember the things more easily. It is
Yes,
there in the mind forever. We can
right,
remember the
absolutely
points.
right,
Yeah.
right. So, like I mentioned about Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, so there are two other people that I currently read, right? So, वो तो मेरे all time favorite हैं ही हैं. So I have all the volumes of Sherlock Holmes with me. I have it in hard copy and not just on Kindle. I have it the hard copies of those books that he's written. And the other two people that I really admire and I read. So one is James Patterson, the other is Jeffrey Archer. And the stories, if you read them, so has anybody read Jeffrey Archer?
Yes, no, ma'am. You
Okay, so
want
if you get a chance,
no.
I would really suggest if you get a chance, you pick up a book of Jeffrey Archer and go through it. And why I'm saying this is their stories are weaved like you would never imagine, right? They're so compelling and captivating, right? And what happens is that there's a storyline going on, and all of a sudden there's a huge, massive twist that the readers don't expect. The other thing that the stories give you is that, you know, they help you to believe that world is a bigger, broader, more exciting place, right? Because Otherwise, every day you go to the office, you come back from the office, there are struggles in the office, on the way, on the commute. So there are a lot of things that happen, right?
Yes.
But what the stories do is they connect you with the topic in a way that you start thinking about it and looking at the same context from a different perspective. आपका कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेम रहता है लेकिन आपको उसको देखने का आपका पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज जाता है.
Yes, ma'am. बिल्कुल.
Right, so that is what a good story will do to you. Right, that is why we tell stories, and stories are memorable.
Jeffrey Archer, ma'am.
Yes, that's Jeffrey Archer. Okay, so like, as you mentioned, stories are memorable, right? तो अभी हमारे साथ क्या होता है, so candidates जो होते हैं, जो हमारे students हैं, या if you look at our education system, okay, so how we are coaching them is that they don't tell enough stories. They go through their academics, they go through their career services, they go to these big elite schools, right? They're famous engineering colleges. Everything they will do. They are very professional. But what they are not doing is that they are not telling enough stories. So when you speak to them, whenever you speak to somebody who's coming in for an interview, और ये आप लोगों ने खुद notice किया होगा, especially people who sit down for interviews for their own organizations, like Aditi, Amit, you guys, Aarti, when you take interviews for your organization, you would have noticed when you are asking them question, they have same answers, same kind of answers that they will give you.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, similar तरह के उनके आंसर्स होते हैं, वही सेम बता रहे होते हैं, वो अपने बारे में भी सेम ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही बता रहे होते हैं.
Yes.
And that's because they are not, they don't know how to create or weave a story around themselves, right? So that is very important. Why you would remember a candidate is only when he will tell you something which is memorable. And how is he going to make it memorable is by creating a story around it.
Yes.
And not just a story that feels authentic. ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ये असली स्टोरी है, ये नहीं लगता है कि इसने बुक में पढ़ा था और फिर आके मुझे बता दिया. Right? So जो authentic story होती है जिसमें उसके सारे इमोशंस साथ में आ रहे होते हैं, तो those are the kind of people you remember, even if you don't select them for whatever reason or they don't work for you, but you would still remember them. कि मैंने इस कैंडिडेट का इंटरव्यू दिया था, बहुत अच्छे से उसने समझाया था, या बहुत अच्छे से उसने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था. Right? So that is why we say that stories are memorable. When you tell a story, it is memorable. You are creating memories. Anything that you are conveying through a story, you are creating memories. Now again, this image has a story behind it. There is a memory behind it. Right? और इस experience में और इसकी story में जो मैंने सीखा था, so there are things that you learn, right? So इसकी story में मैंने ये सीखा था, it is not necessary that what you find, that what you're looking for, you only find it in a good place. आपको अच्छी चीज कभी भी कहीं पे भी किसी भी रूप में मिल जाती है.
Yes.
Right, so this is remember guys, मैंने आपको waffle का example दिया था,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So this is how a waffle looks like.
Okay. Okay.
That time I hadn't had an image with me when I was running those sessions with you, but now I can tell you this is how a waffle looks like. Right? ऐसा दिखता है, वो ऐसा बना हुआ होता है. So this is there is a बेकिंग के लिए इसका डिफरेंट वो होता है, मोल्ड होता है. सो इसको बेक करते हैं, ब्रेड की तरह बेक करते हैं इसको, बट दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड so then they put in all kind of toppings on it and everything. So again, like I said, there's a story behind this, and this was like when I was in Mumbai. So मेरे बेटे का एक फंक्शन था वहाँ पे काफी दूर, मतलब हम जहाँ रहते थे वहाँ से काफी दूर एक ऑडिटोरियम में उसका स्कूल का फंक्शन था, एंड आई गॉन देयर एज अ पेरेंट, मतलब क्योंकि वो परफॉर्म कर रहा था तो मैं वो फंक्शन अटेंड करने गई। अब वो फंक्शन खत्म हुआ जब, सो मतलब उस फंक्शन के बीच में अंदर इसका सबसे एंड में था, माय सन्स एक्ट वाज इन द एंड। तो मुझे लगा बीच में इतने सारे लेक्चर दे रहे हैं सब लोग, तो मुझे क्यों बैठना ऑडिटोरियम में, एंड इट वाज लाइक कंप्लीटली फिल्ड अप, पूरा भरा हुआ था। तो मैं बाहर आ गई और मैं को ढूंढ रही थी कि कहीं से मुझे कॉफी मिल जाए पीने के लिए। तो आई सॉ दिस वेरी स्मॉल कॉफी शॉप राइट बैक ऑपोजिट दैट ऑडिटोरियम। तो मैंने वहां गई और मैंने वहां जाकर उससे पूछा कि आपके पास क्या क्या है, एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स। उसने मुझे कॉफी दिया, मैंने कॉफी पिया, एंड देन आई सॉ द मेन्यू एंड आई सॉ एग्जैक्टली सेम दिखने वाला उसके पास उसके मेन्यू में एक इमेज था। मैंने उससे पूछा, मैंने कहा वॉफल्स, ही सेड यस। मैंने कहा आप ऑथेंटिक इसके ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरीज डालते हो? कहता है यस मैम, हम इसके ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरी डालते हैं, जैम नहीं डालते। आई वाज लाइक ओके। सो व्हेन माय सन केम आउट आफ्टर हिज एक्ट, जब खत्म हुआ उसका इवेंट, मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा यू हंग्री? ही सेड यस। मैंने कहा मैं चल के तो खिलाती हूँ कुछ ऐसा जो तूने पहले कभी नहीं खाया होगा, राइट? एंड आई टुक हिम देयर एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड दीज। He didn't know. He had never had a waffle before. उसने कभी नहीं खाया था लाइफ में, और जब ये उसके सामने आया है, when he had it, till date it's been 2.5 years now, and he's had waffles at all the other places also. But that waffle has not been defeated. जो वहाँ खाया था उसके comparison में और कहीं नहीं है, right? So that's memory. That's a memory and that's a story. So how you convey this, right? What you bring to it, that is what will make your story a memorable story, right? So next time when you see a waffle, you will remember the story.
Yes.
Yes. जब आप देखोगे अगली बार आप जब waffle खाने जाओगे तो आपको ये स्टोरी याद आएगा, तो जब मैम ने ये स्टोरी सुनाया था।
Definitely. Ma'am, earlier we had never noticed this waffle anywhere, but after that session, I was in my own city and I was in the market, and I saw in the menu outside they had set up the menu, and I saw a waffle, and there only my जो view had that was stuck. I said yes, this is the waffle.
Yes, yes, that's the waffle, and that's how you tell things, right? So that people remember and then they connect with it.
Yeah.
Right. So the other thing that stories help us do is that they support relationship building. So when you are telling a story, right, you're building a relationship, be it your audience, be it your team member, right? For example, you have somebody who's come to the organization who's recently joined it, right? आपकी team में किसी ने join किया है नया, अब that person is not very confident, and because उसने नया join किया है, that person is also not very pally with everyone, not very friendly. So then how do you motivate them and how do you make them feel at home, right? The other thing that stories will do is, for example, your team is going through a bad a bad patch, या कोई मुश्किल टास्क है जो आपकी टीम को मिला है करने के लिए. So as a manager, as a supervisor, what will you do? You will share a story saying that हमने ना ये पहले भी किया था and this is how we did that. So maybe we can try this and maybe we will be able to find a solution. Right? So that time, what are you doing? You are building your relationship with your team through your own story. Right? मैंने ऐसे भी managers देखे हैं who, what they do is they tell their teams that you should be thankful you have a job.
Yes.
Right? And
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
how they are trying to motivate their team members. उनको लगता है कि अगर हम ये बोलेंगे तो our team will get motivated that you should be thankful you have a job. No, that's not how the teams get motivated. You don't want your people to do that. You want your people to believe in what they are doing. You have to keep them motivated. You want to make them feel that there is a sense of purpose, no matter how hard it is. And how will you do that? You can only do that by building a relationship with them, right? So you have to be their guide. You also have to be their cheerleader at some time. Okay. So, and let's say, for example, you are not able to share your stories because not everybody is an outgoing person, right? So if you're not able to share your story with them, you can tell them about somebody else, right? So let's say, for example, Thomas Edison. We've all heard about Thomas Edison.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What did he do? क्या किया था थॉमस एडिसन ने?
He had
उन्होंने एक स्टोरी बनाई थी, आई थिंक, वो जो बंदा दिखता नहीं है वो वाली।
गाइस, थॉमस एडिसन ने बल्ब बनाया था।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब बनाया था।
Yes, yes, sorry ma'am, sorry. Yes
So
ma'am.
Thomas
1000 में फेल हो गए थे मैम।
Yes ma'am.
14,000 times उसने जो फिलामेंट होता है, when you look at a bulb, तो उसके बीच में फिलामेंट होता है ना?
Yes ma'am.
उसने 14,000 वेरिएंट्स बनाए थे उस फिलामेंट के, जो कि उसके नहीं चले थे, और तब जाके उसको एक फिलामेंट मिला था जो कि 10 सेकंड के लिए चलता रहा था। Then obviously he improved upon it, and then that's how we got light bulbs, right? So eventually मतलब उसने improvise करके उसको आगे improve किया। So you can tell anybody's story, but that what is important is that your story has to be convincing, right? आप उसके लिए अपनी पर्सनल स्टोरी बता रहे हो, किसी और की स्टोरी बता रहे हो, अपने मैनेजर या मैनेजर की स्टोरी बता सकते हो, राइट? किसी दूसरे कॉलीग की स्टोरी बता सकते हो। So remember that stories connect us to our humanity. So your team will feel that you are approachable. अगर आप उनके साथ अपने फेलियर की स्टोरी शेयर कर रहे हो, या आप उनके साथ अपनी स्ट्रगल की स्टोरी शेयर कर रहे हो, so they feel that you are also human and you are approachable, and you're not somebody who's sitting on a pedestal and they can't approach you, right? And always remember, we have been telling stories for as long as mankind is there. शुरू से ही लोग एक दूसरे को स्टोरी सुनाते आ रहे हैं, right? And for one reason or the other reason, हम जिनको कहते हैं हमारी जातक कथाएं, what are जातक कथाएं?
मैम जो हम दादी नानी से सुनते आए हैं।
Yes, stories है ना, पंचतंत्र की कहानियां।
Yes ma'am.
Stories है।
Yes ma'am.
And every story has a moral, right? हर स्टोरी से कुछ ना कुछ लर्निंग मिलता है, हर स्टोरी में से कुछ ना कुछ लर्निंग निकल के आता है।
Yes ma'am.
तो इसका मतलब है कि स्टोरी सुनाना और स्टोरी सुना के रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना तो बहुत सालों से कर रहे हैं ना हम।
Yes ma'am.
So the same thing you have to replicate within your team, within your organization also, right? उनको आपको अलग ट्रीट नहीं करना है। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं घर में स्टोरी तो सुना सकती हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्टोरी तो सुना सकती हूँ, बट आई कैन नॉट टेल अ स्टोरी व्हेन आई एम इन द ऑफिस, बिकॉज वो मेरे ऑफिस के लोग हैं। यू जस्ट हैव टू सी कि आप उसको कैसे मोल्ड करके सुनाओगे, राइट? Not obviously not the same way that you're telling a story to a kid, but it will be different.
Yes, definitely.
Right? The other thing that you being approachable will help you is that if there is a conflict within the team, अगर आपकी टीम में कभी conflict होता है, right? For you and the other person, it is easier to work through the conflict अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे इस बंदे के बारे में थोड़ा पता है, कि मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ पता है, मुझे इसके मूड स्विंग्स के बारे में पता है, या मुझे इसकी नेचर के बारे में पता है, राइट? तब आप उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के साथ काम कर सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो। बट अगर आपको किसी के बारे में पता ही नहीं है, आपको आपके कॉलीग के बारे में नहीं पता, आपके कॉलीग को आपके बारे में नहीं पता है, और दोनों के बीच में डिसएग्रीमेंट हो गया, कैसे रिजॉल्व करोगे? राइट? सो फॉर दैट स्टोरीज विल हेल्प यू build those relations in your workplace, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
how do we craft stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Stories को craft कैसे करते हैं? Let's quickly see that. And why are so okay, very important question. Why do we say crafting stories? हम crafting
It's
stories अपने crafting क्यों
Ma'am,
कहते हैं stories को?
there might be some situation where we don't have any real story. So at that time, if we want to explain someone something or motivate them towards doing something, so we can craft a story for them. So I
Yes, we
think
maybe,
can
ma'am.
craft a story. Why we say craft? Why we are not using any other word for it?
Because maybe
in a
ma'am,
workplace,
it's connected to
in
art and
workplace,
that kind of things.
yeah,
Sorry, Aarti, I missed what you were saying.
Maybe, ma'am, it's not about something academic or something literature or anything. It's about art or it's about something real, connecting to something natural or real.
Yes, that's right. So what are crafts? Simple word. Craft में हम क्या क्या चीजें इंक्लूड करते हैं? अगर हम बोलते हैं आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, तो उसमें हम क्या क्या इंक्लूड करते हैं?
we
create.
use color, creativity, design.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So all these are craft, no? So
Yes.
if it is an
yes,
organization, crafting means we have to prepare the minutes of the meeting. So that will be a design, and crafting related that kind of story means what has to
yes.
be
That
delivered, what
can
we
also be
actually want to
considered.
deliver.
Yes. Right. So why we are using the word crafting here for stories is because it's like an artisan working with his craft or her craft, right? Someone who's attentive to the detail. And storytelling is not just an art, right? It's a combination of art and science, because storytelling also requires a lot of practice and research. It's not that you can just stand up on a podium and you go ahead and you start telling a story and people will start clapping. That's not how things happen. So storytelling, people do say storytelling is an art, yes, but effective storytelling is an art plus science. It's a combination of both the things. Art, because you need to know, right? You need to have ideas. You need to have an imagination. You need to have stories that you can start working on. And practice is because how do you want to convey that story? Do you want your audience to feel good about it? Or do you want your audience to sympathize with the character? Do you want audience to hate your character? As in whatever character is there in the story, right? So what do you want to do with that story? What do you want your audience to do? Okay, so that is why we are saying it's a combination of art and science. And first step in crafting a story is knowing your audience. Like anything and everything, it's always the first step is always knowing your audience, right? And so why you have to know about your audience is, for example, just consider this. Let's say you're writing let's see. Okay, so you're writing your resume, or you're writing a bio for your company's website, right? Your company has a website, and you're writing a professional bio for your company's website. Now compare this to writing a bio for Shadi.com or Jeevansati.com. How would you change the way you describe yourself? Or will you not change the way you describe yourself?
Yeah, it would change.
We will change.
Ma'am,
Will
for
you
a
change the way you
company
describe
resume,
yourself?
ma'am, for a company resume, we also be read the what the company required basically the employee. जो भी हम कंपनी के लिए रिज्यूम
Right.
बनाते हैं बायो लिखते हैं तो उसमें हम कंपनी के डिस्क्रिप्शंस को पढ़ते हुए कि उन्होंने उनको क्या
Right.
रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना रिज्यूम बिल्ड करते हैं.
That is a professional
अगर हम
approach.
यही बात करें शादी.com या फिर
That is a personal front. We write it the personal information. We share the
हाँ
personal information.
शादी.com में बेसिकली हम लोग पर्सनल डिटेल्स के संग संग अपने बिहेवियर के बारे में भी थोड़ा उनको बताते हैं एंड अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट भी बताते हैं कि हमें कैसा बिहेवियर पसंद है दूसरे वाले का.
Okay. So
Like,
now I'm giving you examples here. If I write, I'm not telling you which bio I'm talking about. I'm just going to tell you the character, the trait, right? So if I write attention to detail, where will you include it?
Attention
resume.
to
It's
Attention
a
to detail.
company bio.
Right. So it's a professional bio, right?
profession.
Now,
Yes.
if I say that good-natured,
Yeah,
Personal, professional, both. Good nature.
मैम बोथ आर
both will come na.
No, ma'am. Only personal.
for
yes,
because
you
shadi.com.
only write it in personal. You don't write good-natured on your resume.
Yes, ma'am. It's personal,
Right.
ma'am.
Yes, that would be personal. So your own description, when you're writing it professionally and when you're writing it for a wedding website or something else, that will vary, right? You will you will change your style and tone of writing. And why you will do that is because you know that your audience who is going to read your professional bio is going to be different, and the audience who's going to read your matrimonial bio is going to be different, and their decisions are going to be based on different reasons, right? And different characters. So if I write passionate about my work, that goes in my professional bio. If I write the same thing for a matrimonial website, passionate about my work, do you think any guy is going to pick me up?
No chance.
Right? Because they're going to say she's passionate about her work.
Over.
She's not paying any attention to the household.
Yes. Correct.
Right. So that's how
It
you
happens.
change it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
And which is why when you craft your story, the first thing that you have to understand is that you have to know about your audience, right? What your audience believes in. Okay. The other thing, the next step is it has to be well researched. Your story has to be well researched, which means if you're not talking about yourself, if it is not a personal story that you're going to share, if it is something else that you want to share, then you have to have details about that. Then you need to know that what are the things that happen, right? And there has to be some fact in it. Nowadays, if you look at these young entrepreneurs who have a startup idea in their head, right? What is it? It's just a vision in their mind. It's just a story that they have in their mind, right? It's just a story. I'm going to do this. This is how my product is going to be. This is how I'm going to go ahead and market. Similarly, now let's take this entrepreneur to a member of your team. Very good idea. Brilliant idea. This is how
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will do things. This is how, right? But there are no facts there. Is that information that that person is sharing with you, is it based on facts? If it is not based on facts, then it has no value.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there has to be something that, okay, this idea is very good, but is this what a customer needs? Is this what my customer needs? Or is my customer going to respond to this? right? So when you talk about your workplace, then you have to be absolutely in tune with what your particular market needs are. And that will only happen when you have researched. So if Coca-Cola wants to launch a new drink, they will undertake a research. करेंगे ना वो research करेंगे, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Despite the fact that Coca-Cola is a huge big brand, they will still do a research before launching a new product, because they know people are just not going to buy the product because we as a company have a big name. So similarly, entrepreneurs also, small businesses also, you need to understand when you're trying to create your elevator speech or your elevator pitch or your elevator story, right?
Yes.
Make it as personal as possible. वो रटाया speech मत दो अपने investors को. If you look at the market scenario, that is exactly what is happening. The entrepreneurs that you see around you, when you talk to them about their venture, when you start talking to them, they'll give you those same details. And if there are 3 friends working together, वो तीनों लोग एक ही बात बोल रहे होते हैं, उसमें कोई वेरिएशन नहीं है. There's no variation in what they are talking about. So get that variation, right? Do research, get that variation. Third part is the power of emotion. Now, a question to the group. Do you all listen to sad music?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you do that?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Depend on the mood and situations.
Depends on the mood, but you listen to sad music, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Rare, ma'am. Very rare.
Why would you
But
want
it's
to listen
not-
to sad music?
ऐसा मुझे लग नहीं रहा. I
Some songs
want
are
to hear
really
a song.
feel good.
Maybe
Broken
when
or-
you feel sad,
Yes, ma'am.
when you feel sad, then you listen sad music only.
Yes,
I think.
because you are connected to it, right? So maybe there was a time in your life when you felt a certain way, right?
Yes.
And that music or that song, it takes you back, or it brings out those same emotions from you,
Yes.
from within. Right, so it's kind of a way of traveling in time. So for example, if something has happened long back, and you hear a song which kind of reminds you about something happening, then it's taking you back.
Yes, ma'am.
So that song or that story is repeating an emotion. You have already had that emotion when you were actually going through that experience. But listening to that song or listening to that story, that experience or that it's getting repeated.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And people love those things that appeal to their heart.
Yes.
Right? A story that can somehow connect with a person's heart.
And then it's about the connectivity that even the same song may be sad to you at some times and may be very happy to you at some times.
Yes, that's right. And which is how you have to bring emotion in your story, which is also when your story is going to look authentic and not something that you read out of a book and you are narrating it in class, right? Because the only thing that people remember is that how that story connected to their soul. If there's a story that you are not getting connected to, you'll not feel it. So there's this one book. I think I'm not sure how many of you read my article on that book, but I also wrote an article on LinkedIn about my
Yeah.
experience with that book. So that book is a source of inspiration for me any day. And this is from the
Ma'am,
day that I read that book.
that may I know
Sorry?
the name? May I know the name of that
Yes,
book?
the name of the book is A Woman of Substance.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first time that I read that book, that's years back, right? But I have learned so much from that story. And it's a fiction. It's not even a, what do you call it, autobiography or a biography. It's not something. It's a fictional story. But somehow, somewhere, I connected with the character, right? And then learned from the character. So that's how you get connected to the stories that you read, stories that you hear. Like nowadays, what happens is, technology is affecting our young people, and they have zero imagination. They have zero imagination. They don't have that depth to bring that emotion in their stories, which is something that I feel very sad about. But that's how things are happening nowadays. So how you will differentiate yourself from somebody is when your story has emotion in it, right? The next thing that we take care of when we are crafting a story is personal details. You can do that. You can do that. And you know why? Because the ability to tell your own story is very critical for successful job interviews, networking events, and your first time meeting with somebody who you want to impress. If you cannot tell your own story successfully, how are you going to get that job? Or how are you going to get that investor? It's you are talking about, right? अगर आप अपना story ही अच्छे से नहीं बता सकते, so then how will people understand? How will people know you, right? And there's actually a structure that you can follow, right? It's not that कि हम अपनी story कैसे भी बता दें. There's actually a structure that you follow, and which is like, you start with a normal beginning, and then you share some incident, right? And then you share what was the turning point or what were the challenges that you faced, and then the resolution. So there's actually a structure to a personal storytelling, which is you start with a normal state, share an incident, turning point, challenges, and then the resolution as to what you were able to do or what you learned from it, or where that experience or that story took you. Always remember, you should always keep looking for original stories, and you should always develop original stories. Why? Because it has two advantages. First, you have the opportunity to make it your own, and the second is that people have not heard that story before. If it is an original story, people have not heard it. And where
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
get the original story from, right? Your original stories will come out from your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Our stories, they help define who we are and what we stand for. And they help ensure that we are remembered as human beings, right? So putting your personal details, finding stories from within your life, again, is a very important part of how you're crafting a story. Then we have compelling characters. So compelling characters obviously will not happen if you're telling about your own story. I mean, yes, you can do it to some extent, because then you have to make your character a very compelling character. Right? But otherwise, then you can add all kind of emotions in there, that characters' contradictions, any problems that they face. So that's something that And when you start thinking about a character for your story, right, you reflect upon the real people in your life. Don't look at any notebooks. Don't go out reading people or reading stories, right? सबसे best तरीका इसका ये है that when you have to think about characters or how to make your character compelling, right? your आपके story का character compelling कैसे बनाना है? सबसे easy तरीका है अपने family members को देखना. A family member you are particularly close to, or a family member जो कि आपको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, you dislike. Your closest friend from childhood, right? Somebody you know personally and admire. Okay? So go back, start looking at these kind of things. Your favorite neighbor, your least favorite neighbor, your favorite co-worker.
Least favorite coworker.
Yes, your least favorite co-worker also. Right?
And why?
So,
Reasons and all.
I'm sorry?
Ma'am, and we can include the reasons for that as well, na?
Yes, that will make your story all the more authentic, right? It's all the more authentic. So yesterday evening after our session, I had a call with this another person. This is a girl from US, so she was calling me long distance, and like we had a Zoom call. So we have been discussing some training structure that she wants to create for her organization. So we were on a Zoom call, and then she asked me a question. She said, Pooja, can you share something which, some incidents where you failed as or where, you made a mistake or something like that. And then I did share that with her. And because it was a Zoom video call, I could see on her face when I was narrating that she was really touched by it in terms of, the way I spoke about it, and it came out of my heart. राइट, और उसकी शक्ल पे दिख रहा था कि अगर मैं और कंटिन्यू करती रहती बताना उसके बारे में तो वो रो देती वही कॉल पे. So that is the kind, how compelling you make things, how compelling you make that story, or how compelling your character is. Right? So, and it included people from my organization, people that I was pally with, people I was not pally with. So yes, people you don't like in the company, you can include that. It's how you create and how you, so what kind of character building you do for them, that is what will make all the change, right? So are we clear on this? Knowing your audience, real research, power of emotion, personal details, and finding stories.
Yes, ma'am.
How you have to make your characters compelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So now knowing your audience, we have discussed, right? Knowing your audience is very important because that will change how you are going to deliver. This audience, it is, you're just sitting 10, 15, 5, 10 people on a table. Here, if you have to stand here, you are telling your story to a whole group of people. And both of these are business settings. None of them are personal settings. Both the places, you have to behave professionally. You have to share your story professionally. But how you will share with a smaller group and how you will share with a larger group will depend upon how you are weaving your story. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Well researched also, we've already spoken about. Now, you see the image?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What
I
is the
can't see
emotion that who cannot see?
Dinky, ma'am.
Why can you not see the image, Dinky?
I don't know. It's crafting story is showing on my screen right now.
Oh, so your net is going a little slow. That's okay.
That was
It will come. Right?
Okay.
It will come. Okay. So for others who have seen the image, what is the emotion that's coming to you?
yes, ma'am.
Power of emotion, it is there.
Yes.
Little bit.
Affection,
When you
ma'am.
look at the image,
Yes, yes, we can view.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
We can view the image.
yes, I know you can see the image. I'm saying, what is the
Yeah,
emotion that you are having right now when you look at this image?
ma'am, the
Ma'am, she is
affection,
so happy.
love.
Happiness
It's
in
a
her
happy
face.
kid, right?
Yeah,
Innocent
for the
face.
kid. Yeah,
Yes, happy kid,
and
Happy kid.
Yeah.
colorful. She must
right?
be playing Holi,
Watching must
Yes, she must be playing
or
Holi.
she may be
So,
counting.
be.
so science has proven that when you look at the image of a child, right, and this is a scientifically proven fact, when you look at the image of a happy child, right, so there's a part in your brain that lights up.
Yes.
It will automatically light up when you look at the image of a child.
Hmm.
You have nothing to do with that. You can't even control it because it's not in your hands. And that will give you a feel good feeling inside. You know, a good feeling inside, a happy feeling inside when you see a happy child. हम बोलते हैं ना कि जब थके हुए लोग ऑफिस से वापस जाते हैं, so they look at their young kids and then they feel happy. Right?
Yes.
बच्चों को देख
Ma'am,
के थकान उतर जाती है.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm unable to screen. I don't know why.
Pinky, your network is probably having an issue. You can disconnect and reconnect.
Ma'am, I have done the same thing, but also it's showing connecting and all.
Yes, so that effectively means it's at your end, right? It's not at our end because everybody else can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay, I can.
मोबाइल हाँ
Okay, ma'am. Okay, carry on,
आप एक
ma'am.
बार वापस हाँ आप एक बार वापस डिस्कनेक्ट करके कनेक्ट करो और मोबाइल डेटा भी ऑन कर लो अगर मोबाइल से देख रहे हो तो.
My mobile data पहले ही on है, but I don't know what's the problem.
So try and connect to the laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So coming back to the power of emotion. So that is the power of emotion that comes to you. Right. Personal details, finding stories we've also done. Compelling characters. Now,
Ma'am,
who's this? Who's
मैम
this?
पर्सनल डिटेल्स वाला कॉलम
Personal details वाला कर लिया ना हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा वो वैसे कर लिया. हाँ ठीक है.
Guys, इस कैरेक्टर का नाम बताओ.
मैम इसकी एक वीडियो आई थी मैंने टिकटॉक पे देखी थी.
नहीं टिकटॉक वाली वीडियो नहीं चाहिए मुझे. इस कैरेक्टर का नाम बताओ.
Ma'am,
What is the name of this character? Anyone in the team, in the group?
Ma'am, maybe crude.
Yes. This guy's name is. I'll write it down here. This is Groot.
Yeah. Crude.
Right. So this is a tree character in Guardians of the Galaxy series. Right. And this character is one of its kind. So the only conversation that he says, the only words that
I am
this,
Groot.
this character is speaking throughout 2-3 movies is I am Groot.
Yeah.
So everything and anything that this character says is I am Groot. But when you really observe this character in those movies, it will bring tears to your eyes. This is such a compelling character. Without even speaking, the character just by the facial expressions and other things, this brings tears to your eyes, right? So such a compelling character.
Yes.
Okay, so now next, let's see who's the next character. What do you see?
A bat.
Bat.
Yes, so who's this? Guys, who's this?
Maybe the character I haven't seen that correct. Batman से होगा मैम.
Yes, this is Batman.
Okay.
Right. So you have to start watching a little more movies. Please do that. Right.
Yes.
Again, when you're creating a character, the character that you create should be such that people remember it longer duration of time.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll quickly see reflective storytelling. So what reflective storytelling is? There are 3 parts to reflective storytelling. Okay, and reflective storytelling means how to evaluate and present your stories. So when you decide to craft a story, you have many different decisions to make, right? You can think about whether this has to be an analog or a digital text. Should you have an audio visual component, or maybe you have both the things. And then maybe you might also think about how stories can draw on your audience's senses like hearing, touch, sight, right? So now we are going to see how you will do a reflective storytelling, which means that these are 3 tips for making sure that your audience is engaged with the message that you are giving them. First is listening. So when I say listening, it's not just active listening. It's not that you're only listening with your ears or with your mind involved in something. It is also reading people, right? Listening is also reading people. And when I say reading people, so it's just you get a sense. So when you're talking to someone, you get a sense of what they are like, what they're afraid of, what are their aspirations, what are their fears. So those things that people don't say openly, but they are read between the lines kind of things. That is what you have to pay attention to. And why this is important is, so let's say for example you're not a let's say for example you're not a people person, which means that you're not very comfortable sharing your story with people, or you're not very comfortable opening up to people. Then in an organization this will be a problem if you are a team leader, right? Because you are not going to open up to people. You will not have an inner inclination to go out and start a conversation. So in that case, what you can do is that you jot down some questions that will allow other people to talk about themselves, right? So instead of you trying to start a conversation, you jot down some questions and you ask people those questions so that people are talking about themselves, and you don't have to be the one who's talking. Let other people talk. You just listen to what they're saying and then take cues from there, right? The other thing that you can do is that if you're not a people's person is that when you are making a team or when you are building up on a team, you recruit this kind of a person who is a people's person. उसको सबसे पहले अपनी टीम में रिक्रूट करो. Somebody who's good at making people talk. If you can't do it yourself, get somebody in your team who is good at making people talk. जो लोगों से बात कर सकता है, जो लोगों से information निकलवा सकता है, जो लोगों के साथ connect कर सकता है, right? Because for you to be successful, whether it is a team or whether it is your own business, तो आपको आपके बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए टीम का चलना तो जरूरी है ना. People that you're hiring, they have to work as a team. So what you can do is, अगर आप ये नहीं कर सकते, आप outgoing नहीं है, तो आप किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति को हायर कीजिए जो आपके लिए ये काम करे. Right? So there are 2 things that you will have to take care of when we are talking about listening. Either you jot down a list of questions where people start talking about themselves, or you hire someone who can do this task for you. Right? So maybe HR में किसी को रख लो, somebody और या MIS देखने के लिए जो आप जिसको हायर कर रहे हो उसको इस तरह का व्यक्ति हो, या आपका सेंट्रल मैनेजर ऐसा होना चाहिए, right? So anybody that you can think of. The other thing is under effective storytelling is a lot of practice. Practice has to go into storytelling. Because again, coming back, if you are not able to speak to people, you have to practice how to ask questions and not sound rude about it. Right? So you can't ask somebody very directly, अच्छा एक बार बताओ तुम्हारा तो रिश्ता टूट गया था ना, फिर क्या हुआ? Can you ask this kind of a question to someone
No,
in your
ma'am.
office?
No.
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right? So then you have to practice a lot as to how you are going to word it. आपकी wording, आपका tone कैसा होना चाहिए? या मैंने तो सुना है देखो कंपनी जॉब से निकाल रही है. You can't say this, right? So you practice. The other thing we have already touched upon this, which is the authentic storytelling. So I have also been into sales. So for 6.5 years, I was into sales, right? And I don't know for some reason, but I personally never felt bad about selling, right? जबकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं, आपने देखे होंगे आपके आसपास भी, जो ये कहते हैं कि हमें सेल्स का जॉब नहीं करना. सुना है ना?
Yes,
बहुत सारे
ma'am.
लोग कहते हैं ऐसा, बिकॉज उनको
Yes,
लगता है
ma'am.
कि सेल्स खराब जॉब है, राइट? मुझे somehow कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा. And that's sorry,
मैम धक्के खाने वाली होती है ना वो, उसमें कई बारी कोई ले ना ले, तो
हाँ
काफी
ठीक है,
प्रेशर भी.
वो एक अलग बात है कि आपकी ट्रैवलिंग जॉब हो सकती है, या आपको घूमना फिरना पड़ सकता है, या बहुत ज्यादा आपको अलग अलग क्लाइंट्स के पास जाना पड़ेगा. बट व्हाट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट लोग ये सोचते हैं कि हम किसी को कुछ बेचने जाएंगे, कोई खरीदेगा नहीं हमसे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, I know. There's a secret I'm going to share with you guys is, मैंने मेरी लाइफ में कभी कुछ नहीं बेचा. Literally, I have never asked anyone to buy it from me. All I did was that I conveyed the message to them that what I'm trying to do is figure out कि आपको क्या चाहिए, और मेरे पास जो है अगर वो आपकी नीड के साथ मैच करता है तो. समझ रहे हो आप? So I have always tried to match the customer's needs with whatever product I have. I have never
Yes,
asked
ma'am.
anyone, I've never done any selling, and I've done a lot of other things. So I've done candle making, I've done jewelry making, but I never used to ask people to buy it from me openly. I never used to tell them कि आप ये मुझसे खरीद लो, या मैं ये बेच रही हूँ, या ये. I would always put in my post saying that this is the product that's available. If you require this, you can get in touch with me. That's one way of putting it. The other is, if you have something, right, and you want people to take it, you question them about their needs, और फिर उसके साथ उसको मैच करो कि अच्छा आपकी ये रिक्वायरमेंट है, ये सोल्यूशन है हमारे पास. That is what authentic storytelling would be.
Yes,
So for example, you have a training, right? आप training programs run कर रहे हो. Okay. Now your audience or your customers are people who you want to train. And here I am going to introduce the corporate element also. So as a training partner or a training center, you can also get into a tie-up with a company. to train their employees. So वो उस केस में दोनों का, सेंटर का और कंपनी का, दोनों का विन विन है, बिकॉज उनके एम्प्लॉइज ट्रेन हो जाएंगे और आपके पास स्टूडेंट्स का बैच पूरा हो जाता है. But then
Yes,
how do you convert it into a story and sell it to an organization, right? That is what you can work on.
Yes,
In area mein, these are the companies where this trade that I already have in my center, people can be accommodated. So why not get into a tie-up with them?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Right? It's 3.5 months, right? 3-3.5 महीने का. So why not get into a tie-up with them?
Yes, ma'am.
उससे उनका भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. That the problem of training people or the problem of hiring untrained people, और बाद में वो स्टाफ छोड़ के चला जाता है जब काम सीख लेता है, और आपका भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. Right? So what you are doing is you are, for their problem, you are giving them a solution. You're not selling them your concept. उनका प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करा है आपने और उसका सोल्यूशन दे रहे हो आप. दैट इज हाउ यू विल डू योर स्टोरी टेलिंग. यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ सोल्यूशन टू देम, राइट? सो नाउ आर वी क्लियर हाउ डू वी डू इफेक्टिव स्टोरी टेलिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
now we're going to see how do you find and develop your storyteller persona. Because हमको सबको लगता है कि वो तो बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाता है ना. मेरी दादी बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाती थी, राइट? वी ऑल से दैट. या मेरी नानी बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाती थी, बहुत एंगेजिंग स्टोरी सुनाती थी. Honestly speaking, storytelling is a gift you are all born with. We are all born with this gift.
Okay.
ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जिसको स्टोरी बताना नहीं आता, राइट? हाँ, कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी बताते हैं, कुछ लोग थोड़े खराब से बताते हैं, और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि इतना ही बताएं तो अच्छा है. So there are some people. Yes, I know. So there are some people उनको तो जोक भी बता देनी चाहिए. They're so terrible at it, right? And that happens only because their heart and soul is not into it, right? So otherwise, if you set your heart, you can definitely develop your storyteller persona, because it is already within you. It's not something that you have to learn externally. It is already within you. You only have to develop that. So you can start with your smaller group, right? अपने घर से शुरू कर सकते हो आप. Start practicing. Story, आपको बेसिक पता चल गया है कि स्टोरी का ये बेसिक है. इन चीजों का, 5 चीजों का ध्यान रख के मुझे स्टोरी बिल्डअप करना है. क्रिएट अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी. सुनाओ किसी को, देखो उनका क्या रिस्पॉन्स है, राइट? बट somebody who has never actually done that, for them it will require a lot of practice. Some people have a habit of telling stories, they just have to polish their way of delivering it, right? Some people, they are not in a habit of telling stories. So when I am in a session, I think all of you have seen me, I tell a lot of stories, right? I can run an entire session telling stories only,
Yes,
right? So some people who are not used to doing that, for them it will take a lot of practice. For me also it has taken a lot of practice. It's just that now you see me telling stories, but I was not always like this, right? So that there was a time when I would really not speak to people. I never used to talk to strangers. Very quiet. Okay, now now when I look back at that, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो पता नहीं कौन से चरण की बात थी. तो जब कभी मेरे कुछ होता था तो मैं क्लास में सबसे एंड में होती थी कि मुझे कुछ बोलना ना पड़े. टीचर ने अगर रिसाइट करने के लिए बोल दिया है पोएम, तो मैं सबसे एंड में, मैं तो नीचे बुक के अंदर देख रही होती थी कि मुझे ना बोल दें, राइट? सो आई वाज दैट शाय. मैं डिबेट जब बोलना चाहती थी तो डिबेट में भी मतलब मुझे पता नहीं होता था कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, टीचर बताती थी। और आई थिंक ट्वाइस आई हैव डन दैट इन स्कूल, बट दैट वाज बैड। और उसमें भी उस टाइम मुझे स्टोरी, तो खैर स्टोरी टेलिंग क्या होता है, आई नेवर न्यू दैट, राइट? बट you can always practice. Like I said, you write down a short story and उसको नरेट करो अपने घर में, अपने फ्रेंड्स को। बिल्कुल छोटा सा, कुछ ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं है that you have a 5-page story. Short and sweet. Any experience that you can pick up, उसको स्टोरी की तरह क्राफ्ट करके शेयर करो। Now you know how to craft a story. So any experience, any good experience that you want to share or bad experience that you want to share with a friend of yours, craft it in a manner of a story and then share it. So gradually what will happen is you will get into this activity of telling stories. बच्चों के आपके स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं जब क्लास में, आप उनको स्टोरी सुना सकते हो। But now you know how to craft the story. Remember, ओल्ड पहले जब आप लोगों के सेशंस मैंने लिए थे, उसमें मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये बताया था उस सेशन में, बिकॉज दैट वाज द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर दैट सेशन, दैट you tell a story to your class, right? To bring their attention back in the class, you tell them a short story. Now I have given you the equipment how to create that short story, so that your story is interesting for the class and for your students. So you start trying that with your classes, with your students. Abhi khair, I'm not sure how much of this can you make use of, because you're still running online classes. But otherwise, when you start doing face to face, start making use of it. Uske pehle isko ghar pe practice karo. Because your story has a point, right? So usko kaise convey karna hai us point ko, you have to remember that. If the story has no core to it, इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकती है, पर अगर उससे कुछ हो नहीं रहा, उससे किसी आप कोई इंफॉर्मेशन पास ऑन नहीं हो रहा, सो देन इट्स नॉट सर्विंग यू. एंड फॉर दोज ऑफ यू, इफ यू हैव अ जॉब और अ टास्क, running a center, managing a team, motivating them, so you have to make sure that whatever is the point of the story, the centerpiece of your story, it has to be at the core. You have to remain focused on that, right? So which is exactly what this image is telling you about. It says, if you're not able to read it, I'll just read it out for you. It says, we are all made of stories. Each one of us, we are all made of stories, right from day one. The only thing is how we tell it. Okay, so now I did tell you that I am going to ask you to create a short story, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So have you already thought about a story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So who will go first? And all cameras on. We want to have all cameras on. And let's see who will go first. Amit, even you will have to narrate a story. Will not have you run away. One by one. Who's going first? Aarti or Dinky or Ritu? And let's have all the cameras on.
Ma'am is processing.
You are?
No, I'm saying my camera is processing too.
Okay.
Sure.
Aarti, Aditi,
Yes. Should I
can
start
we
now?
have you? Can we
Yeah,
first
yeah,
have
yeah.
you on? We
From
can't
our
see
own
you.
experience, can you not see me?
We can't see you. Yes, Aditi, we can't see you. We want to see you. Amit. Okay, so who will go first? Aarti is going first.
Yes, I am also ready.
Okay, let's hear it quickly.
Okay, ma'am, if you want to start, you can start. Let Aditi ma'am start.
Oh,
Okay, Aditi, let's hear it from you.
yeah, it is. It will be from our own experience, isn't it?
Yes,
Pooja ma'am?
yes, you can do that.
Yeah.
You can do that.
In the initial stage when where I started my business at a very young age, 20 to 24 years. So my selling the product of surgical goods was a big challenge for me. I thought that okay, I can manufacture the things and to bring the unit in a profit. So where to sell the product was a big challenge. So one of the businessmen, he one day asked me that have you ever been to Kolkata? I said that yes. Then please go and visit Bagri market over there. That is a wholesale market. I said that fine. Then I went there and please watch truck loaded with that seal loader, masala in which we that stone and is there where we where the masala is normally the grandmother and my
Okay.
mother also
Yes, 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 yes.
yes to
Okay,
do
okay,
it.
okay, okay.
Yes. So they were not very used to operate that grinder and everything. Then I watched that. I think in lakhs every day number of trucks were loading and unloading. So they said, then that person just told me that when these lakhs and lakhs of this product can be sold, means they are loading it and then unloading it, then why don't you survey the market properly and find out where to sell? Because your product is something related with this means manufacturing and the hospitals they will use cotton bandage. So go ahead and start manufacturing and sell it in the market. Go to the hospital, contact them, show your product, the quality of the product, and you will get. And that way we started and we got started getting orders from the market, from the hospitals, I think from Tatas and everywhere. We used to we supplied in lakhs, and that way I started my career. So this is a story, means this is the way how I learned the marketing thing, how to sell product. It is all